Hey breadies, we're gonna do a Christmas donut. Grab a marker and something to draw on, and let's get started. All right, breadies, let's do our Christmas donut. So, first step is a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, breadies. Do your best. And donuts are kind of wiggly, so let's do our outside donut. A little wiggly. Just do it the best you can. Try to match this inner circle and just bring it all the way around. Good job, breadies. All right, next step is we're gonna do a silly face. So I want to incorporate the face in the middle donut hole. So I like to do these big funny teeth if you follow along on my other videos. So just do that. 3 simple funny teeth. So easy and fun. Then we'll just do real simple oval eyes like that. Perfect. So we got our silly teeth and we got our oval eyes. Let's do a tongue. Woo! It'll make sense when we color it, breadies. All right, now we're gonna do the frosting. So to do the frosting, we're just gonna do some wavy lines all the way around. Ready? Just have fun, breadies. Relax and just do a wavy line all around your donut. So cool. All right, breadies, you know what we need to do next. Sparkles. Sprinkles. So let's do one over here. Just a circle or an oval shape. One going that way, one going that way, one going that way. Let's do one going this way. Super easy and fun, breadies. Don't get too serious. Just draw some oval shapes. And we'll kind of leave these empty up here for the eyes. It's looking so good. Okay, so now we need to do a Christmas version. So let's put a Santa hat on him. Do a wavy line like that. And then curve it. And now we're gonna match this round line at the top of the donut. We're gonna match it. Just like that. And then a wavy line down. Perfect. All right, we've had some practice. So, Santa hats are so easy once you get it down. What I like to do is the curved one. So, to prep your curve, start on this side, breadies, and just do a slow curving line up because that'll show you how to bring it down behind it. So when you do a short line up, you come over here and you go just past it and then down and then over. You see that? And that gives us that perfect shaped Santa hat. It looks so good. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just rewind the video, but I think it looks so good. And now if you watched Williams and I Christmas snowman, we're gonna do the same type of hands. Let's do that again. So just one line that goes out and over, and another wiggly line that goes out and down. And then we'll put the mittens on. So mitten is a big oval shape, and then a big paw, and then a thumb. just like that. And then this one's leaning on like if it was his hip. So we just do a big oval, and then the big paw, and then the thumb. Super easy, breadies. So now we have our Santa donut. All right, let's do some silly legs. Let's do the same thing like the arms. We'll just do wiggly line, wiggly line. And then we'll do some silly boots for like Santa boots. We do our Converse shoes. Sometimes we do our boots. We can pretty much do it however we want. So since this is a Santa Claus, maybe we'll do some like Santa boots. Let's try it. So we'll do a circle or like a smile line and a smile line. Then we'll curve around. So do this outline and then a curve for the top of the boot. Then we'll come down and then we'll do this curved line for the top of the boot, like that. Another curved line like that. Little square. And then meet your boot, like that. Let's try again over here. Show you the steps one more time. Ready? So we have our curved line. All we're gonna do is go out to the side and go up, other side, up, and then curved line behind it. Ready? Curved line behind it. Perfect. Bring this in, breadies, just like that. Bring it down, just like that. Out for the back of the boot. Down. Okay, let's bring this part in, over. And now how we did the big bump over here, we gotta do it over here. So a big bump. And then just like that, a little curve, and then bring it to the front. Ready? Curve line. And that's like the Santa Claus boots. It's looking so good, breadies. All right, I think we're done. It is time to color. Let's give a little width to our legs right here. Little width to our legs. And a little width here. Boom, and a little width here. Width just means thickening that line. All right, breadies. Now, the relaxing part. Let's color together. I hope you're thinking about what colors you want to do your donut. I always do the pink donut or the teal donut. This is a Santa one, so let's do like a red and green sparkle donut to go with our Santa Claus hat and our little mittens. Does that sound fun? I think that'd be cool. So let's grab red and let's do our Santa hat. Real simple. Awesome. I think I'll get my other red. That one's kind of dying on me, breadies. And then let's do our mittens. That same red. Looks so good. All right, breadies. Now, I want to do our sprinkles white. So I want to leave some white and then do some green. So let's just do like every other one. Green. 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 And green. And then we'll leave those ones white, breadies. And then red for the frosting. So it looks really, really Christmassy. So relaxing the color, just focus on your lines, breadies, just practice. Look at that, the red and the green are really coming together to look really Christmassy. All right, breadies, we are almost done. Ooh, we could have done a nice Christmas scarf like we did on our robot, our snowman. That probably would have looked good right there, but oh well, this is looking really good. All right, let's get some dough colored marker. Like a yellow or a pale. This is a pretty one. And that's color in our dough. Nice, that looks really good. Remember to test your colors on a scratch piece of paper so you don't go too dark or too light. That looks good. Let's do a light pink tongue. Test it out. Nice. A black back of his mouth. And then we can just leave, you know what? Santa's got black. I was gonna do like some brown boots. Let's do a little wiggly line right here, breadies, to leave white. So we can do like Santa boots. Watch this, see that little wiggle line right there? Add a little wiggle line. And then we'll do these like the Santa black boots, but we'll use like a dark gray to show the outline. So we'll leave that white, and then we'll get like almost like a light gray, breadies. Try out like a light gray. So it's almost black, but then you could still see the outline difference. Like that. So they really look like he's wearing like a Santa Claus boot. Looks so good. And that is it, breadies. All right, let's show the finished product. All right, breadies, that was so fun and super easy. I hope you had so much fun at home drawing and coloring with me. We did a Christmas donut. It looks so good. Check out the details on the boots and the mittens and the hat. I hope you had so fun, and I will see you tomorrow. Remember to like and subscribe so you can join me and we can do another one tomorrow.
Bye, Breadies.